Maayong buntag, Bohol! You are now watching at Bohol's next top model here in the town, rich in natural resources, Calape.
Yes, and we are here in the Tierra De Agaton Natural Park na ang contestants will be doing their next photoshoot challenge.
Oh, certainly! And this challenge, the contestants are here for an extreme challenge. Have you seen the Mad Max movie?
Wait, sa Mad Max movie, I think I watched that movie before. So, unsa the connection sa Mad Max movie and the photoshoot challenge?
Yeah, nindot kayo ang movie nga Mad Max. No, the movie Mad Max has a concept of post-apocalyptic scenario where the people became ravagers for their survival. And in this photo shoot, in relation to the movie, the contestants are challenged to portray as one of the individuals in the movie.
So, grabe the na photoshoot challenge, no?
Yes,
So,
indeed.
so it would be out of this world. So, karon guys, so sa mga tao na wala kahibalo, our contestants are still complete because last elimination day, walay na eliminated. So, there were no elimination.
Really?
Yes, wala elimination. So, the models will do their best karon because on the next elimination day, wata kahibaw who will be safe and who will be eliminated.
Well, you know, Yan, everybody is a winner. So congratulations, models, for keeping the fire burning.
Saka imong kamot dito. Ubos gamay, ana na space, ana. I-bend gamay imong body pa dong diri. Na, kana.
with the designer of these beautiful creations of today's photo shoot, Nicky Simporius. Hello, sir.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, so sir, what are the inspirations behind these beautiful creations of yours for today's photo shoot?
Well, I'm an eccentric designer, so my aesthetic is mostly avant-garde or fashion-forward and haute couture. So my inspiration of this design is the clash between soft and hard, black and white, cold and hot, dark and light. So it's most likely a battle between two different objects. So there.
That's so outstanding to hear, sir. And of course, sir, I have another question for you, sir. What is your ideal model for today's photo? Like, unsa imong gipangita sa model, sir, nga murag matumpak gid nimo ang criteria sa today's design sa ilhang photo shoot?
Well, for me, a model, whatever she's doing in this shoot or out of the shoot, he or she needs to be committed to
of course.
the work, committed to what she wants to do on set. She doesn't need to be that pretty or that handsome. All I want to see is the passion in their eyes as they
Yes, that's so true, sir.
As the camera catches photos of her or him, she or he needs to really show the passion in the eyes that he really wants this and he really wants to do this and such.
Certainly, sir. Tino, ginay mong gipang-ingon, sir. Thank you kayo sa pag-answer ani sa mga questions, sir. But right now, sir, I'm giving you the chance to promote your designs to the people that are watching us right now.
So yeah, you can actually check my Facebook. I don't have pictures to show, but what I know is I can deliver. So my name is Nicky Simporius and I'm in Facebook.
Okay, again, guys, that was Nicky Simporius, the designer for today's creations for this beautiful photo shoot.
So natadari karon sa Pulang yuta ni Lolo Agaton, which is located at Barangay Sohoton, Calape. So Bea, unsa may masulti mo nimo ani nga place nga nice kayo?
Well, sakto jud ang ilang giingon nga kani nga place is very unusual. Dinhira jud nimo siya sa Calape makita. The red soil, wow, amazing. But not just that, the view,
Very
so
refreshing.
refreshing. Whether it's night or day, this place is a great to visit and experience.
Hi guys, I'm here with the owner of the most beautiful place here in Calape, the Tierra De Agaton Nature Park. So I'm here with Ma'am Lukling. So ma'am, tell us about this wonderful place.
Alright. Sa una ni, kanang di pa ni nga ni, kay wa pa man ni kasada. Adto pa man mi didto mag kanang baktas rami kay daya mo ang kanang umahan diha, unahan. O da kanang nakit-an ni tungod sa pagka kanang lockdown na bitaw. Da daghan ng mga bikers nga galabay-labay na ani. Daga sige na o sila og pasyat-syat na ani, gipospos na nila ba. Di mao to nga hingingon tong nay bantay na mo din hanga. Adto pay ko ano nimo ni ma'am kanang developo nimo ni nga na ba.
So aning lugar ma'am no kay kaning besides sa kaning red na soil, kuan pa nato yung restaurant na ay karinderya guys para ani mo mangaon while on track sa magbiking mo, makastop sa diri mangaon, di ba? So that's it, guys. Thank you, Ma'am Lucling, for having us here in this most wonderful place, the Tierra De Agaton Nature Park here in Barangay Sohoton, Calape, Bohol. So hi guys, nako diri karon with Nelson and Joshua. So guys, unsa man yung gibati karon sa yung photo shoot or this challenge?
Bati na ako karon kay kuan abi no nga mamaot na mo kuan result sa pictorial kay ngit-ngit na kaya motor gibahatid ko na mong best maski nga naalangan niyo ng oras. Ngit-ngit na pud mo.
So ikaw, Nelson.
Kuan kanang challenging kayo kay matud bang Joshua nagkangit-ngit, so mas para namo mas advantage ang naisan kay murag malamdagan ang imong naong kay namay kanang mas lami ang nailamdag kay mas mo reflect ang yuta nga puwa para na po nako.
So it is true indeed challenging when there's no light yun, pero as what they say, they could do their best, and guys, good luck.
Guys, so we've reached the end of the photoshoot. So yan, human na gyud atong photoshoot, no?
Yes, nahuman nga gyud atong photoshoot, ang among kahago, ang ilang kahago sa mga models. So karon we would like to thank Red Tierra De Agaton sa one fantastic na place.
Yes, of course, we would like also to thank the models for their undying passion for portraying themselves as the models or the winners for this competition.
Yes, true, Drew. For more information and updates, just visit
The Bohol Local TV.
the Ahern Family.
And of course, the Bohol's next top model.
See you guys!
See ya!